961 people. Before, I was talking to maybe one new person a month.
Where I was before this program was just like lost. I knew I didn't have the fan base.
Pounding the pavement, playing all the venues, we didn't get anywhere. We could not capture an audience, grow it, monetize it.
We've done everything in a way where you're told to do it. Tour, put out multiple albums, radio promotion.
How do we get more fans and how do we get more followers? And
I had no fan base at all.
I'd been working with some great people and I had some really good things going, but could I get anyone to listen to my music? I felt like an absolute, complete and utter failure.
I got to perform at some pretty awesome venues like Carnegie Hall and theaters in South America and across Europe, but I didn't know how to follow up with people. I ended up with, for all practical purposes, a non-existent fan base.
Got no connections, sick of rejections. I didn't think I could possibly do this. And then I went to, I can absolutely do this. Modern Musician forced me way out of my comfort zone.
I have a whole system in place built to meet fans, grow my fan base, monetize it, engage with fans.
Automation is amazing.
They're not just telling you what you should do, they are showing you how to do it. They utilize some of the newest, hottest, advanced technology that's out there that I bet so many artists have no idea even exists.
Creating a system that is completely automated, that generates new fans that really care about your music and that love you and that fall in love with everything that you do, you can put that whole thing on autopilot.
More than an ad campaign, or it's more than just pushing stuff on people.
I learned how to target my audience to find my fans.
They single-handedly gave us the tools to have such a strong community now.
You see the results immediately. It wasn't like, hey, we're gonna set this up and give it a couple months. No, it was like that week.
These fans are not just people that listen to one or two songs on my YouTube channel and then peace out. These are people that stick around. They buy my custom jewelry for like $200. One of them is getting me a $200 vacuum. And then see this over here? The reason that I haven't upgraded to an actual couch is because one of my fans told me that she wanted to give me $400 towards my couch purchase. And then they're buying merch and posting pictures of it in the group, encouraging other people to buy merch.
28 starter packs and 2 VIP merch bundles. I've never felt that kind of confidence that I could sell anything, and I sold a ton of stuff.
I've attracted a manager and a publicist who've also helped me with my Spotify. My Spotify in 1 month is times 500%.
I set up a webinar funnel, I set up a course funnel, and from that I was actually able to get 4 paid clients at over $2,000 of revenue last month.
I've sold over 100 starter packs. I'm selling VIP bundles.
they're like coming in, they're subscribing, they're commenting, and same thing, with our Spotify, we went from a few hundred listeners a month to 3,000.
We made over 100 merch sales this year.
I have 120 people in my fan club and 440 followers. Those numbers grow every day. I went from 0 to 120 in a matter of months. Well, actually, now it's 122.
16% make purchases from me. 12.5% they made larger purchases.
None of this would have been possible without those tools, without learning how to build an actual fan base.
We had better merch sales this year than any year, and we didn't go on tour. $7,000 just from the virtual tour hacking funnel alone, not to mention other free CD funnels, other merch funnels, other merch releases. And our Spotify numbers, we went from 4,000 monthly listeners all the way to 25,000. We just had a big meeting with a large record label, and I showed them our Facebook fan club. I showed them our merch sales, and they were blown away. They'd never seen anything like it.
I think within the next 1 to 2 years, I'll be able to go full time with my music. I would not be the same person that I am right now today, and I would not believe in what is possible without you guys.
I think differently, I feel different, I live in a different state, and I have a constant stream of positive feedback from fans that love me. I didn't think that was possible. If someone was trying to decide whether or not this is worth it, it's either worth it or it's not, and it is. If you're 100% sure you want to do the music thing, then you cannot lose with Modern Musician. I've been dreaming of being a musician since I was like 5 or 6, and thanks to Modern Musician, this is real life now.
It is changing my life. Try not to cry.
I feel hope.
Nothing has been as impactful on our musical journey as Modern Musician.
There were people out there who love what I do.
Well, the biggest thing that I've learned from this entire thing is that once you have a fan base that actually cares about you.
And it's been the best thing I've ever done for my music career. And beyond that, one of the best things I've done for my life. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, team. I love you. I am forever indebted to you. I can never repay you.